Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In today's video, I'll be showing you the ways to half swipe on Snapchat. In order to do half swipe on Snapchat, first thing first, make sure that your application is updated and then go ahead and open up your Snapchat account. Once you're logged in, tap the profile icon from the bottom right hand side. So if you don't want to respond to a particular message but you're curious about what the other user has sent it, then what you need to do is, in order to do the half swipe thing, all you have to do is locate the particular user for which you actually want to see the message without responding or without letting them know that you've actually viewed the message. You need to long press on it and then swipe towards your left hand side after you swipe towards your right hand side, and as soon as you do that, you'll be able to see the chat that the particular user has sent it. Now I repeat, make sure not to leave the finger, make sure to hold it on, and once you're done reading the message or the text, just simply let it go towards your left hand side, and only then leave your finger. Only be able to see the chat. Apart from it, you'll not be able to see the snap and all that. So in this way you can half swipe on Snapchat. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.